Finally, we have completed this, right? Let's see how it is coming in the rendering. Wow, awesome, right? So you can see some black lines coming up as an outline. These are actually the curves. So right away, to get rid of them, what you can do, just straight away go to the selection tool here, type select curve, it will select all the curves. Either you can hide them or you can delete them straight away. Okay, now you can see our base is metal. And about this connection, let me set the material for this. You need to go here in the material section, click it, it will open the layer material. Let's say I want it to be certain plastic. Okay, in plastic I will color it little blacker as a rubber, and there is no reflectivity, transparency also 0. You keep it like this. So you can see there is some reflectivity. I will select the color and I will decrease the reflectivity to make it, more plastic material, something like this. This is more better. And the color of the tops, and this wooden material, I have already, downloaded an image. This is the texture image which I have downloaded from internet. You can get it free from pixels.com or pixabay.com. I have shared all the links from where you can get these kind of textures. Some textures you can randomly take from Google. Very common texture like concrete and wood. You can download this easily, any wood texture, right? You can rotate this if you want the grains to be in different direction. You can rotate this and save the image as a different texture to use it. And if you want to give some the bumps to these textures and all, you can use some white background. That also in later videos during the course I will cover. So for currently, you just know how can I add a custom texture from outside. So what I have done is, in this I went to the, let's say, wooden member. I went to the texture, right? It is showing custom because I have taken it. So when you take the custom, instead of all these materials, you go for custom. It will give you custom settings with color and all. You can change the reflectivity, transparency also to that material. It also gives you texture controlling options. Like for color, I am using this. For bump, I can change. I will show how bump works and how environment works. For now, for transparency, for color, I have used this image. So you go through this 3 dot. When you click it, it will directly take you to the, your browsing, your computer folders. You can bring whatever texture you want and add it and click OK. Right? Same way, this I have used from here only. There is no external material in this. And this base also I have used the external material, RCC base, in the same way. It's a custom material. You can see custom 2 and custom 1. Rest all are inside Rhino. So whenever it is inside, from the inside Rhino, it will give your name. Otherwise, custom and custom 2. Yes. And sun settings, we have in the previous video also, we have discussed how sun settings can be good. Let's say when I go to lighting and use the sun and change, let's say I don't want skylight, right? Then it will become fully sun. It's not good. Let's change intensity to 0.25. So the reflections changes, the way we look into the model changes, something like this. You can see the transparency from inside as well. So I hope you have learned through this and followed each and every step. I tried to explain in as much detail as possible. Try to follow steps. Try to invent yourself within thing. Try to change the pattern of this. If you want to, create a different design, you can evolve your own pattern. You know how follow along surface command helps a lot and saves a lot of time. You can straight away make any pattern, unroll that curved surface, make any patterns and just roll it back. So easy, right? So it's not only this model exercise, similar method you can use it for your projects also if you want to do. This is very handy. So good luck guys, keep practicing. I will come next lesson with another interesting exercise and we will learn something more interesting commands and advanced Rhino, moving towards advanced Rhino.